Okay, the kitchen's behind me. We just came out of that laundry room. This is the two of the spare bedrooms. I don't know why it's so fuzzy. There we go. Nice high ceilings, closets. Okay. Spare bath. Nice detail work. Okay, hopefully I'm going to get dizzy. Another spare bedroom. Nice molding. The other room had that little nook too. It's perfect for awards. Yay. And then we're going to go up to the spare. Beautiful wood floors. This is a bonus room. This is a real nice feature in some of these houses, this bonus room. I think it's on its own separate area because it's hot. Closet. It could be a bedroom. Great for an office. But basically the stairs just come up to this one room. So that makes it nice as a getaway. But you don't have to go up the stairs every day all day long.